Welcome to a quick comparison of Grafana and Node Red. These powerful open source tools are used for data visualization and workflow automation, but they serve different purposes. Let's break them down and see which one is best for what. Grafana is a leading platform for data visualization and monitoring. It connects to various data sources like InfluxDB, Prometheus, or MySQL to create stunning, customizable dashboards. With Grafana, you can visualize time series data, set up alerts, and monitor metrics in real time. It's perfect for tracking system performance, IoT sensor data, or business analytics, offering a user-friendly interface for building dynamic charts and graphs. Node Red, on the other hand, is a flow-based programming tool designed for wiring, APIs, devices, and services. It uses a virtual interface to create workflows, making it easy to process and transform data. Node Red excels at integrating IoT devices, automating tasks, and feeding data into databases or dashboards. It's ideal for developers who want to quickly prototype or automate data flows. So, how do they compare? Grafana is all about visualizing data. It's your go-to for creating polished dashboards and monitoring systems. Node Red focuses on data processing and automation, acting as a glue between devices and data sources. If you need to collect and process IoT data, Node Red is better. For displaying the data in beautiful dashboards, Grafana shine. Often they're used together. Node Red feeds data to database, and Grafana visualize. Choose Grafana for analytics and monitoring, Node Red for automation and integration, or combine them for a powerful data pipeline. Thanks for watching, guys, and let us know your thoughts in the comments. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe if you enjoyed this video, and I'll see you in the next one.